To all guidance counselors, teachers, educators, Choices would like to extend our personal and genuine appreciation to each and every one of you, for your valuable contributions to the building up and nurturing of our youths. Thank you for the dedication that you have shown to your craft. We are ending a year which was filled with both challenges and victories. How reassuring it has been to know that we can count on all of you, regardless of what faces us. Working with you this past year has been a pleasure. We offer our best wishes and happiness to you and your families as we all look forward to a successful 2023.
Hi, this is Jamie Lee Wisdom from Choices. If you're interested in what Choices has in store for the future, please click the link that was sent with this video. We have workshops for primary and secondary students, parents, and professional development. Feel free to contact us via WhatsApp, telephone, email, or book a workshop online via the link provided. Hope you have a pleasant day and see you soon.